Morning, everybody. Got the Cyclone crew out here. About to lay some pipe, tear down some fence. Let's get it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is the worst. I've always put fences up and I tear them down. What? Oh, it just beeps when he rotates? That's annoying. What do you think? What do you think? Is this where the fiber's at? No? If you get bored, I'll strap this thing to your chest. You can talk to the peoples. You could be TikTok famous, Gage. What about you, Toby? You want? We only have to go so far down. I mean, we can grab the middle. We'll try to take it and wrap it around that light pole. Oh shit, watch yourself. I think it'll stay. Hey, what was that grade again? Hey, grab that. What's it say? 207 flat? Yeah.
They did my way. Don't find that fiber line?
We're about to.
You're about to?
Yeah.
I mean, you ain't found it?
Couldn't get nobody out here to locate it, so we'll have to find it the hard way. $1 million fiber, we're gonna find it. Oh, we did that.
And?
We had too little ones. We're thinking it's right here. Nah, he's over there. Don't swing it, he was walking by. So there's a fiber box right there. And you can see it's coming in this direction.
Yeah.
So that's what we were thinking, yeah.
The only other thing I hit was that culvert right there.
Yeah. Did you guys dig out here? No.
No, the young guy came out here to do the locate, and he was over here doing locate, and then a day or two later they came in and dumped all that gravel right there and was scratching around putting these pins in.
Yeah, that was all us.
Okay.
But hey, I appreciate it, sir.
He had already been out here
Daddy.
locating, but he located up over there.
So they located everything except the fiber, and that's the one we fucking needed. You know how it goes. I appreciate it, sir. Thank you. Is it dead? Was this what he was charging earlier? No, it could come on. I tried to bait him. Goober? Dude, I don't. Dude, I wouldn't tell you that. You can smooth it out a little bit, but we gotta come up some more. Morning, guys. Early, cold fucking morning. Got Gage over there moving some dirt, getting ready. Got the boys hunting some conduit so we don't hit it, digging our storm drain. Got about 100 foot of storm drain yesterday. Got a box set, backfilled, clean things up. We'll see how it goes. Later. You need some gloves? Hey,
closer?
Fuck. Here, I'm gonna turn it this way. I'm gonna put it that way. I don't want them out in the road.
I was gonna say you want.
Oh, you dirty motherfucker.
Hey, jacket's gone. You can have it. Bye. Get out of here.
I like this guy. Come down a hair. Go up. Can you open your bucket? That works. Alright. Come down some more. Alright, go up. Whoa. Come towards me. Come up. Right there. No, keep going a little more. That's her.
You're like, get your laser.
You hand that to him.
All that shit that I need to move, they're moving it right now, so we're working it all that underneath on it's done.
All right.
Hope you take this out.
I did. Huh? He said, I think that's the best I've ever seen Toby rake that out. I said, I did.
Rake it out?
Yeah, I said, I did.
What? You look at my raking?
What do you need? What? Every time you move it, I'm always on it. I don't know what it is. Anytime we're laying pipe, I'm standing on it and you gotta move it.
Move that way off.
Yeah. It don't look bad. It don't look bad at all. It's, yeah, he's the one who sprayed it, he's the one who dug it.
It hurt, but still got as much brain cells as I used to have. I mean, zero.
You got it in lifting mode too.
Yeah, that shit was. Yeah. What are you doing? Back that thing up. Quit being a bitch.
I'm being a bitch. I'm fucking care.
Come down there. Where are you at, pussy?
This thing probably cost 20 grand. Alright, I'm good to go straight out.
No, you gotta. Yeah. Yeah. Swing that way. Set it down. You shit your pants? Yeah. Hey Toby, I'll give you $20. You riding that son of a bitch over there.
20 bucks.
Fuck, I'd do it.
I bet everything's pretty flat over there where all you gotta do is walk around.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I just didn't know how you wanted to curl up and
I see where you're talking about. I might hook that on it. Go around that way.
I'd almost say that it's not on this side. Yeah, I think it's that sand shit. He said it's just like concrete.
Over here too.